How's it going, guys, and welcome to the Average Garage. To start off today's episode, I want to say a massive thank you to VicOffroad for supplying me with some new lights to test. They wanted an unbiased review, so we're going to fit them to the car and we're going to give them a crack. So we're going to quickly unbox them now. We're going to run through what lights they are, some of their specifications, their warranty, some technical info, stuff like that, and yeah, see how I rate them. So I've currently got some VicOffroad Defend Indus 9-inch Sirius LED driving lights or spotlights on my car currently. I've had them on there for a while and I'm really happy with them. So yeah, we're going to swap them over with these new lights and see how they compare, see how they hold up. Alright guys, so here's the LIGHTFOX 9-inch LED laser spotlights. So let's check them out, let's unbox them, and I'll give you my first impressions. Alright, so packed nice and tightly to keep them safe. Looks like they've got the black covers on. Got the clear covers in here. Get to them later. Alright, so the bracketry is already attached, that's pretty cool. So the Sirius, I had to put the brackets on, that's not a drama though. Nice stainless steel brackets, looks like stainless hardware as well. So you can see the light itself, it's actually got the projector beam in the middle, still all LED, but there's a projector beam as well as the LEDs, the conventional reflector type. I'll knock this over to the side. So here you got your wiring harness, which is the plug and play wiring harness to make installation super easy. Or if you already have spotties and you're just replacing them, it even comes with spare DT plug ends so you can adapt them to your current wiring harness. And lastly, you got your hardware. So this is obviously to install to the vehicle. So you've got nylock nuts, you've got the bolts that have a round head but they've got a little square molded into them. That actually sits in the bracket here, which makes installation super easy because then you don't have to have a socket or a spanner on this end. You can just worry about the nut going on the bottom. Alright, so my first impressions is they look pretty good. I really like the look with the dark face on it. That'll look pretty cool during the daytime. Then you swap that over for the clear lens and then you're good to go. The clear lens just keeps all the bugs off and the stone chips and all that stuff from the actual light itself. The heat sinks look pretty good. Nice plug and play DT connectors. I can't wait to fit these up. Let's jump into it. Had some force behind it. Looking at the specs on these spots, they're pretty darn impressive. I've picked a couple to read out, but the full list can be found in the link in the description. These laser LEDs boast a light rating of 1 lux at 1,799 meters. That's an insane 1.8 kilometers away. That's pretty damn impressive, especially considering they're also IP68 rated. So you know you're covered in all conditions from mall crawling to serious off-road adventures. These lights have built-in protection to protect the chip from overheating, circuit interference, and even reverse polarity. So even a monkey could wire them up safely. However, that shouldn't be an issue as they're also supplied with a DT plug-and-play harness to make installation super easy. The last thing I've picked is the warranty. These things come with a whopping 5-year warranty, so you know you're getting your money's worth and that VicOffroad are confident in their product. Alright guys, now is time for my honest review of these lights. Now VicOffroad wanted a unbiased review, so here it is. First off, these things are bloody bright. Like, I actually really like them. The only gripe that I have is I did manage to lose the cover off this one, the clear cover. I've still got the dark ones, but I managed to lose a clear one. However, that being said, I did drive over quite a bit of corrugations with these, and that stems back from the Sirius lights. When I had those, I mentioned to Vic Off-Road that the covers were a little too tight, and they've obviously changed the design a little bit, but now they're just a little bit too loose, and I did manage to lose one. Other than that, I love these lights. They are super bright, they've got a nice amount of spread, the throw is incredible, and the light is a little bit warmer, so signs don't really blind you as much. I want to mention how easy these were to fit. So you've got a pretty much plug and play harness, the brackets are already fitted to the lights when they rock up, everything just works. The bracketry, all the hardware is included, all the wiring's included, you have everything that all you need is a battery. You don't even need a car to make these things work. So it's super easy to fit them, they work really well, I really enjoyed them, so thank you very much again to Vic Off-Road. Be sure to head over to their website and check out their entire range of four-wheel drive and camping accessories and equipment. So all of those who are still watching, you might notice I have a spare set of lights now. If you would like to see these get given away to a lucky fan, please like the video and drop a comment below letting me know. If there's enough interest, I'll run a competition in a future episode and we'll give them to a lucky fan. I will post these anywhere in Australia. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much again to Vic Off-Road, and we'll see you all in the next episode of The Average Garage. Love your continued support, guys. We'll see you all later. Cheers.